Well, we're going to experiment here and we're going to make a strawberry smoothie with 2 banana creamies. Never tried it. Let's see what it's like. All right. Maybe a butter knife will get it off. I don't know. Holy mackerel. We're gonna have to try something else. Maybe a steak knife. Holy crap. About a butcher knife. Oh yeah, there we go. Just cut that. Oh yeah, pops right out. Looking tasty. I don't know how good this is going to be. I make a lot of smoothies. I thought this might be interesting to try. Kitty thinks so, huh? I like to add half and half. You're going to go all out. Go all out. The creamier, the better. Little bit of sugar. Sometimes I use stevia. I think this is half stevia, half sugar. I can't remember. And like a tablespoon. Because we want this sucker sweet. Then we grab our sliced strawberries, frozen strawberries. I like to defrost them a little bit so it blends a little easier. I think we're good to go. Come on. Maybe I should have chopped up the creamies. I don't know. Sometimes I add a little vanilla almond milk or just almond milk. But there we go. Just don't want to hit the blade. Don't want to hit that blade. I think it needs a little bit more sweetening. We're going to use a little bit of, I guess we don't want to use the sugar. There we go. A little stevia, no calories, extra sweet. Oh yeah. I think this might be it. Let's just scoop it out. Even the dogs can tell something's going on here. There it is. That's pretty doggone good. A lot of calories, but whatever. It's super tasty. What do you think, guys? I think it looks pretty good. Hey, Azzy. There's Java. Yep. All right. Well, there you go. sliced strawberries, frozen strawberries, 2 creamies. Next time I'm going to try the orange creamies. And I don't know, I guess if I do a chocolate shake or something, you could use a chocolate creamy shake. There you go. Smell you later.